In this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate price of a semi-annual coupon bond. A semi-annual coupon bond pays coupon amounts twice in a year. So you need to make an adjustment to the annual coupon rate and recalculate the coupon amounts. Now I'll explain that with you an example. Now with this example, I'll explain you how to calculate price of a semi-annual coupon bond. So in case of a semi-annual coupon bond, coupons are paid twice in a year. So first we look at the input variables here. One is the face value of this bond. This is $1,000. Then coupon rate is 10%. Then bond matures in 8 years. N equals to 8. Number of coupon payments, that is P. This equals to 2 coupon payments because semi-annual. Then your yield to maturity is 9%. So your yield to maturity is discount rate with which we calculate the present value of the bond. So to get the present value of a bond or a price of the bond, price equals to coupon amount times present value interest factor annuity plus future value times present value interest factor. So first we calculate the coupon amount. So your coupon amount, this equals to face value times coupon rate upon 100. So you will get this equals to $1,000 times 10 by 100. So coupon amount is 100. This is per annum. As coupons are paid semi-annually, you need to divide this by 2. So your semi-annual coupon is 100 upon 2. This is 50. So we consider coupon as 50 in case of semi-annual. Now to get your present value interest factor annuity, what is that you need to do is your present value interest factor of annuity. This equals to 1 upon I. So this I here is yield to maturity or discount rate. This upon 2 minus 1 by I upon 2 times 1 plus I to the power of P into N. P is number of coupon payments and N is a duration. Here also we'll take 2. And to get your present value interest factor, so this equals to 1 by 1 plus I upon 2 raised to the power of P into N. So we calculate this stepwise. So first we calculate 1 upon I upon 2. So this equals to, first is I is your discount rate or yield to maturity, which is 0.09, that is 9%. 9 upon 2 and then 1 upon 0.045. So this is 22.22. Then step 2 will calculate 1 plus I upon 2 to the power of P into N. So this equals to 1.045. Already this part we calculated here, to the power of 16. Why 16 is 8 years and 2 coupon payments in a year. So this equals to 16. This is 1.045 raised to the power of 16. So 2.024. Then a third step will calculate I upon 2 times 1 plus I upon 2 to the power of P into N. So I upon 2, we have a value here, that is 0.045. This times 1 plus I upon 2 to the power of is this, that is 2.0224. So this equals to 0.045 upon 2.0224. So this is 0.091. Then in step 4 we will calculate 1 upon I upon 2 times 1 plus I upon 2 times P to the power of N. So this is 1 upon 0.091. So this equals to 1 upon 0.091. So this is 10.989. So finally we'll deduct the first value with this, that is 22.2222 minus 10.989. So this equals to 22.2222 minus 10.989. So 11.232 is your present value interest factor of annuity. Present value interest factor annuity, this equals to 11.2332. Then to get your present value interest factor, this is 1 upon 1 plus I upon 2 to the power of p into n. So we have this value already calculated, that is 2.024. So 1 upon 2.0224. So this equals to 1 upon 2.0224, 0.4945. This is your present value interest factor. So we substitute these two values in our bond price equation, that is price of the bond equals to coupon amount times present value interest factor annuity plus face value times present value interest factor. So our coupon amount, as we calculated, this is 50, if you remember here. So here is 50. This is coupon amount times present value interest factor is here, that is 11.2332 plus your future face value is $1,000 times present value interest factor, this is 0.4945. so this comes to $50 times 11.23232 plus $1,000 times 0.4945. so price of the bond equals to $1,056.16. This is how you need to calculate the price of the bond with the semi-annual coupon payments. Thank you.